Hello friends, my name is Pooja Gaur and my channel is Mom Beauty Creations.
Socket also, which is eye socket. This eye socket is called as a V socket, and the corners are as a V socket. So when we do eye makeup, we have to work on these two structures: D socket and V socket. Okay. Next. So in eye makeup, what we cover: eyebrows, eyeshadow, liner, mascara, kohl, lash, and lenses. I will teach you how to use lashes today. Very easy, very quick to do. There is a technique behind it. If you know the technique, it is very easy. If you don't know the technique, then you are struggling with that. And you are making your eyes whole black because the glue, it goes somewhere when you are using it. Okay, so which to select, how to select everything. We will use lashes also today. So you will come to know how it's going to look. Okay, so now next. These are the type of eyes. If you see, wide set eyes, close set eyes, almond eyes, downturned eyes, hooded eyes, and deep set eyes. Okay, so I want two girls sitting at one place, and जो extra है वो एक seat ले लीजिए. There is one.
मैं मेकअप देखने के लिए बैटरी फिर प्रैक्टिस के लिए
I'll do step by step so you can learn everything. And the dark area, don't neglect the dark area. Here they use here properly. Draw a line that inside only we have to do. It's easier for you. Otherwise, eyeshadow will go out. Then we can't handle both eyes at the same time. Just a microphone here. Just apply at 45 degrees. And that's all. Don't press too much. Okay, inside here use a CD cream. This much only you have to do. I am using very beautiful palette. With this we will work. Golden.
Ma'am, they are coming in front because we can't see from here. Are they happy?
Just use it nicely. Once you are placing your brush, don't remove it all the time, okay? What you have to do, just use it like this, circulate it. So the blending will be very, very good. No creases. You can do till the top for the highlighting. For the highlighting, it's a golden rule. Never ever use silver highlighter. You can use pearl, you can use gold, but no silver highlighter. So I'm using gold on the entire eye. Then I will use pearl under the brows just to give more clean and nice highlighted look. Gold is at the place of gold and pearl is at the place of pearl. And now I will use darker tone. I'll take a little brown. And I'll use as a V socket. V. How we make letter V? Okay, like that. This you can do in tulip technique. One side less and one side more. More. Yesterday you all made color V. If you remember, when we mix green with yellow, what comes? No, it's olive green. It's olive green. So we have already golden eyeshadow. Then if I use green, what it will become? Olive green. So the color will become olive green. So just at the corner I am using this. Then I will take green color at the lip. It's a beautiful olive green color. If you see, use it nicely. If eyes are deep set, what you can do is take little more gold and just do on the ball. Eyes will come out nicely. Blend it properly. Blending is very important. If you blend your eye makeup properly, it looks very good. Okay? I will use a liner now. I am teaching you gel liner today. You learn pen liner that you can do. We will give you when you are doing workshop right now. And on करें तब use करें. Right now using gel. Start from the center always, because then you can handle your liner. If you start from the starting, what happens sometimes there is more liner in the brush, it's stuck at there, that place only. It's black in color, it's not easy to handle. Nicely you have to do properly. Let the tape be there only till the end. I use mascara now. Step by step you'll remember what I did? Good. I'm using mascara. Whenever you're using mascara, never do pumping. What you have to do? Twist it and take it out. That much. The technique is down, zigzag, wow, remember? Wow. And then up and 45. So this much we did. And then I will remove the tape. See, whatever extra is in the tape. Easier for you to manage and to handle both. Wow, very nice. I will do lower lid also. I will use cut brush, same the brown color and the lower lid. Nice smudge look. I'll take a little green also, whatever color we used. When we are using color, see how they are looking. Admire them. They will come out very well. If you are appreciating anything, the person will show the best performance. Same with the color, same with the product, same with the techniques. So appreciate whatever you are doing. Little gold also. Pore pencil. It's a wonderful pore pencil. Very easy to use. Just I will just do at the end. She's opening her eyes, that's why it's watering. Breathe. You can see one side is small, one side is long. Longer will be at the end, shorter will come inside. Just close your eyes. Perfect. We don't have to cut it. If they are very long, you have to chop and use. You can't use very long. No. I need a glue. Okay, then it will happen again. And should be covered properly with glue. Wait for 30 seconds. You can count 100 also, 1, 2, 3, 4 if you have more time. Otherwise, just wait. Have patience. It's ready now. hold it properly. You can use clipper also, like this, to hold it and place. Okay, easier. Same rule as a liner. Start from the center. Keep it like this. But back of the brush, just press the end. She was opening faster, so you can see liner came up. Whenever it happens, don't rub it, don't do anything. Take a cleanser or a earbud and clean it. Okay? Wait for a while, then you have a brush, and then you have to do the color. I'll use brow also. With the same palette, I'm taking brown to fill the eyebrows. It's a powder one, but when it comes to skin, when it comes to contacting the skin, it turns into cream. So you can use it like this one only. What I will do, I will just draw a line first, top line. Just give a nice shape to the eyebrows. And lift it. Just lift it properly. New shape will be there, and they will look. This hair, they grow like this. So you have to follow the hairline wherever it is going. You can see. You can see the difference. Okay.